In this video, I'm going to show you a new strategy with a very high win rate. Basically, we're going to find the next mover based on the volume, smart money, or many other things. And then we're going to do some advanced rug check on the token to make sure it's not a rug pull. If you're trusting Axiom Pro, Bullex, or any other platform's rug check, you're going to get wrecked because developers are becoming very smart and they know how to manipulate the bundles. But using this strategy, you can easily find out if it's a solid project or if it's a rug pull. So since this part is very important, I'm going to start with this section and then I'm going to show you how to find the next movers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also join my free Telegram channel, link in the video description. Okay, let's get into it. Now let me show you a very simple strategy to find the rug projects. This strategy is very simple but effective. But for using this strategy, you need an Axiom Pro account. You can find the link in the video description, and by using my referral link, you can get 10% off in all your transaction fees. In the migrated section, let's take a look at some of these projects. For example, look at this one, Poke Soul. As you can see, this project went all the way to around $300,000 market cap. And if you take a look at global fees paid, you can see 62 SOL. This means the total fees that people paid to buy or sell this project. Now, this project created an hour ago. Let's take a look at some other projects with the similar market cap and the creation time of similar. If I go to the pulse section, for example, this project already rugged. As you can see, everything in here looks natural. Everything is green. But although this project reached to around $250,000 market cap to the similar market cap of the previous token, and it created at the same time an hour ago, you can see the global fees paid is only 6 SOL. So by looking at here, you were not able to find out this project is rug pull. But by looking at the global fees paid, this was so easy to understand. This means basically the developer behind the project, he bought and sold the tokens by himself. He paid a very small fees, and that's the reason this number is very low. Let me show you another project. For example, this one. This project, everything is in here is green. Only 6 SOL paid for the fees. And if we take a look at, it went all the way to $150,000 market cap. Obviously it was a rug pull an hour ago, the same. Let's take a look at this one. This token 2 hours ago. So when the creation time is later, for example 2 hours, we should expect more fees paid. But in here it's very low, 4.5. And let's see the market cap this token reached. It reached to around $200,000 market cap, and everything in here is green. Obviously a rug pull. This is the easiest and most effective way to find rug projects, and it's super easy. But for doing this, you need an Axiom Pro account, so make sure to use my referral link in the video description. Okay guys, now let me show you a very interesting example. As you can see, this Memecoin launched an hour ago. So many smart wallets and KOLs that I'm tracking, but this token, it reached to $120,000 market cap. The global fees paid was normal at around 33 SOL. Everything in here was green. Even right now it's green, but this was a rug pull. How I found that, I usually do a secondary check on DEX screener. You should definitely use DEX screener. Just copy the contract, paste it in here. This usually takes few minutes, but it definitely worth doing this secondary check. On the transaction sections, first let's check when this token launched. This token launched at around 22:44. So we have to find the exact time in here. I set this at 40, and for the two section I want this be uh around 4 minutes later the launch at around 48, for example. Yeah, this should be good. Click on apply, and I want all the purchases above $500. Okay, now let's take a look at here. Uh, this wallet bought 1,200, 1,023, 600, 690, 1024, 1024. This is very interesting, guys. Look at this. These two wallets are different, but exactly the same number. Look at this one. Exactly the same number with another wallet. Exactly the same number with another wallet. This similar number. You know, these numbers are very close. 1024. All these numbers we saw 10 24 96 690, something like that. uh and you know the time that they usually bought were actually the same, 640. I told you we saw many of these are actually from dev wallets. 690, 690, similar numbers with different wallets. You should be very careful about this kind of projects. These devs are very smart, but they are quite lazy. They don't, spend time to, have so many different purchases. And people don't care. People don't check. So in this way, we can realize a big portion of the supply bundled by the developer, although Axiom Pro or any other platforms will show you 0% bundle. But by using this strategy, you can realize that this project is bundled and you should avoid getting into this token. I'm actually using a further strategy as well for the rugcheck. However, I'm going to explain that in my next video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my Telegram channel. In this way, you don't miss that video. But now let me show you how you can find the next big runners. And if you combine that with the rugcheck, you can have a very, very high win rate. One of the best strategies that you can use to find the next big runner is using PumpFun app. This app is too good to be true and it's totally free, which is great. Just install the app. As you can see, for some meme coins, they have golden bar. For example, for this meme coin, it has only $10,000 market cap, but it has a golden bar. For this one, $30,000 golden bar. These golden bar meme coins has so much potential. Basically, Pumfan use some algorithms to find these meme coins. It could be based on the smart money that bought this meme coin, the volume, or many other things that they are considering. When you see a meme coin with golden bar, you should definitely check it's a rug pull or not. If it's not a rug pull, there is a very high chance that you can make money by investing on it. Also, I highly recommend to combine this strategy, these movers, with the strategy that I showed you in my previous video, this one, to have a very high chance of win rate. In this strategy, I showed you how you can, invest meme coins after the migration, the strategy that I'm using. And if you combine that with, these movers, there's a very high chance. But always do the rock check, because even the best meme coins could rock so hard. Another great thing about this app is the news section. In this section, you can find so many great meme coins to invest. You can see the news behind each meme coin, why this meme coin is pumping, and if the news behind it is huge, even if the market cap is at around 1 million 2 million, you can do an investment. Definitely check this section. It gives you a great idea about the narrative behind different meme coins, different successful meme coins. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.